What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 11FitTV. My name is Conrad, and thank you for joining me once again. As you can see, different location, but the motivation does not change as per the usual. So I'm in Thailand at the moment, right? And I have the luxury of a 24-hour gym. But one thing I thought about is, what if I did not have this space? What if I did not have the gym and I still wanted to get some workout in? So what I decided to do is take it back to basics. Take it back to basics. We have some exercises that is usually go-to for persons who are working out on the go or who are working out outside of the gym space. One of those exercises is the push-up exercise, right? A lot of people think or they attribute the push-up exercise to the chest only. Well, that is not the case. The push-up exercise is much more than that, even though the pectoral muscles is a major muscle group that the push-up exercise work. We can do much more than that. And that is what I want to do today. I'm going to take it back to basics, even though I'm in a gym setting, and I'm going to show you a few adjustments that you can make to your push-up exercise to make it very effective and give you a lot of growth and put a good load on the pectoral, not just the pectoral muscles, but the triceps, but the shoulders as well, because those are muscle groups that the push-up exercise help you to work on as well. Hopefully, this music does not interfere with everything that I'm doing here, and I can post this to you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first thing that you want to think about, guys, is when you're doing the push-up exercise is momentum. You can really get carried away and you can include momentum in exercise, which take away from the effectiveness of the exercise. So what we're going to do, we're going to completely remove the momentum from the push-up exercise, right? And we're going to do a little bit of a release at the bottom of the push-up exercise. And then you will feel that right away in terms of the effectiveness of the exercise. One moment. All right, so here we go. So we're going down, and what I want you to do at the bottom of the push-up exercise here is, as we get into the push-up position here, right? So we're adapting the position, right? When we go down, instead of shortening the push-up, right, and not going all the way, right, or guessing how far down should I go, right? We're going to eliminate that. So what I want you to do is, when you go down, right, I want you to release, right? Release your hands, right? And then we come back and we do that push, okay? So that is step number one. So we are releasing, right? And what that will do is it takes into account, it brings into the fore the back of the shoulders, right? Or the rotator cuff, right? It includes that in the push-up, right? And that changes the complexion of the push-up completely, right? So the second thing that I want you to do is think about squeezing while you're pushing up, okay? So we're releasing one, and then as we come up, we're squeezing everything, almost like pushing your chest muscles together, right? So it's like squeezing inwards, right? While we do that push. And I'm telling you, this will change your count from doing 40 push-up to 20 or maybe even 10 real quick, but you will really feel the effectiveness of the exercise. So two things. Number one, we're going down, right? Release, and then squeeze. Okay, there you go. And that's one. So make those two modifications and really see the change in your push-up exercise. Really squeeze up. Let's do 5 of these. Release, squeeze. Release, squeeze. 3. Release, squeeze. 4. Release, squeeze. Nicely done. Okay, so there you go. We're talking about variations. when it comes on to doing the push-up exercise, right? That 100 push-up every day will not cut it. If you're looking for hypertrophy, if you're looking to get stronger, in no time, you will start to get those 100 in with no effort whatsoever. Well, effort, but no challenges for you, because you can get used to the feeling of 100 push-up very, very quickly. So instead of doing that, you're going to change the variations. Number one, the basic push-up, you're going to add those two modifications to it. One, we're releasing on the ground, and two, you're going to squeeze as you come up, and you will see the effectiveness of the exercise. Tell me what you think about it. Until next time, remember to leave me a comment, remember to leave a like, remember to subscribe if you have not. Be safe, be healthy, be well. See you again soon.